Hello students, today again sharing a very important concept to you. The concept is what? Look at कि दूर एक force F लगाएंगे so that कि जैसे ही force F लगाएंगे तो एक्सिस इसके ऊपर कोई भी force horizontal direction में ना apply करे. You see how it is to be solved. Force F का अगर आपने x डिस्टेंस दूर लगाया तो टॉर्क कितना होगा F into x. Tau will be equal to acceleration of center of mass will be what? That will be the force applied upon mass m. Force applied what upon mass m. So the concept is what? अगर यहाँ पे force apply करने से axis यहाँ पे कोई भी horizontal force apply नहीं करेगी, so the only horizontal force acting on the rod is upon its mass m will be the acceleration of center of mass. So अगर हमने force F apply किया और यहाँ से कोई force horizontal नहीं लगा है, so the only horizontal force is what? F. So acceleration of center of mass will be what? F by m. और वो हमने rotation के through already calculate किया, उन्हें equate किया, then you got this. So hope students this got clear and remember it's a good concept.